While I appreciated the efficiency brought by these AI tools, it became clear that they lacked the warmth of genuine interaction. For instance, I often found myself turning to friends after tackling a challenging project, craving their encouragement and laughter. As I experimented with automation, I realized that associating tools with meaningful moments propelled my productivity further. Balancing the cold logic of AI with the rich empathy of human connection made all the difference. By integrating both, I was able to create a workflow that not only maximized results but also nurtured my spirit and well-being throughout the day. Embracing this dual approach, I began to set aside time to connect with my team and spend moments celebrating our wins, big or small. Each shared laugh or supportive word recaptured that human essence, enhancing both morale and output. By blending these elements, my work transformed into a more rewarding experience. While I automated mundane tasks, I made it a point to prioritize genuine interactions with others. By scheduling regular check-ins with my colleagues, we not only streamlined our workflow but also fostered camaraderie that reinvigorated our creativity. Ultimately, this journey taught me that while technology can enhance our productivity, it is the connections we cultivate that truly enrich our lives and work. By embracing both AI advancements and human relationships, we can create a fulfilling balance that propels us toward success.